Aloha, my name is Elizabeth Tippett. This is the psychology assignment. As you can see, the salt is in this one, the baking soda is in this one with the vinegar behind it, and the water right there. So it said to pour some water into the first cup with the salt and stir it in. So you can see that. We're going to stir it in. Okay, and then now we're going to pour some vinegar into this. Whoops. And stir it in. Definitely two different reactions. Now, it says, when we poured water over the salt, do I think the form is mixture or a compound? And I think the form is a mixture because it didn't actually change any of the chemicals. Just, that it just mixed it together. And it didn't change into anything else. Ugh, and I get to taste it. Ugh, there's still salt in there. Okay. Now, question number 2 says, explain what happened to the electrons, atoms, and molecules when you pour water over the salt and stir it. Well, they all remain there. They just spread out more because they are now connected to the water. So, like the ocean, it becomes a salt water. And so it still has the same elements that it had before. It's just mixed in with the water. And when I poured vinegar over the baking soda, I think that it was a compound. And the reason for this, because I knew my answer, but I had to look it up. And so the reason for this is because because vinegar is an acidic, acid, and the baking soda is a basic compound anyways, and so these react chemically to each other, as you could see when it foamed up and fizzled. So even though there's still some at the bottom, but they reacted chemically to each other. And building on this answer, explain what happens with the electrons, atoms, and molecules. Well, I thought it changed because that's what it was, is a chemical reaction. It changed into something new. So, mahalo.